What's up guys, I'm Jeremy, you're in the Spacious Garage, and thanks for joining me. Today, we're going to be taking a quick look at a cool new accessory we're about to install in the newest horse in our SG stable, the 2023 Ram 1500 Backcountry Edition. Anyway, what are we installing? Well, it's not suspension, it's not exhaust, it's not any of that cool stuff yet, but it is very important, and we're installing a phone mount. Yes, not just any phone mount, an Offroam Peak Design collab magnetic charging phone mount. Offroam is known for making very well-built, high-quality phone mounts that are vehicle specific for all of your heavily off-roaded applications out there, being Jeeps, Toyota Tacomas, Toyota 4Runners, all that good stuff. And they're also taking a swing at the Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, all the 5th gen Rams with these products right here. So when two great brands decide to team up and collaborate on making one awesome product, I think it's time to stop and tell you guys a little bit about it. So let's kind of zoom in on the boxes, show you what you get before you rip them apart, and then we'll take everything out and show you the contents. We'll talk about it a little bit, then we'll install it, and then we'll close with any final words. Unboxing, let's do it. Let's start with the base here, the Offroam clamp. Of course, we got the second half of this, the double socket arm. Getting to the goods here. We've got the collaborative part. We've got the Peak Design Offroam magnetic charging phone mount. Now we've got some other stuff in these boxes, like the plug, the USB-C plug for this mount. I'll put it there, and a cord, of course. But most of that doesn't matter, and what you see right here is what you get. All right, so you guys got that deeper look at the products, and let me explain them to you. So, starting with the base, we've got a billet aluminum, black anodized, CNC machined, all the good stuff that you would expect out of a high quality product. It's right here in this Offroam clamp. Now, for the 5th gen Ram 1500s, this fits in the driver's side, I would imagine passenger side, but driver's side center console AC vent. Fits up in the corner. As you can see, it's got a very large purchase area for this thing to bite on. It's got a very cool silicone or elastomer band here that prevents marring and scratching braking of your vehicle. So when it clamps down, it doesn't bite metal on plastic. It's soft rubber or elastomer on plastic. So very cool here. It's got a grooved 20mm ball that pairs up with the, I'm not gonna do it here, but the 20mm ball double socket arm. So base, arm, and then the crown jewel of this, which is the Peak Design Offroam collab magnetic charging mount. Alrighty, so we got all our products out here on the table. It's time to install. I'm excited, but it would be in poor form for me to continue on this video without giving you an asterisk, and that is this. Well, I've got an iPhone 12. I'm not bragging, don't worry. iPhone 12, 13, and 14 users, you're good to go. Your phone is MagSafe compliant. What if you don't have a newer iPhone? What if you have a Google Pixel? What if you have a Samsung? Whatever it might be, well, Peak Design has you covered. What you're gonna need to do is go to Peak Design's website or your local Peak Design retailer, grab yourself a MagSafe compliant capable case. I went with the everyday case. It's slim, it's no frills, it's gonna fit in my pocket easy, gonna go on my motorcycle without all this bulk. I'm pumped on this. I don't need it, so we'll show you with and without in the install video, again, because I do have the right iPhone, but if you don't, you will need a case. Don't forget that. So, now that I've done my due diligence in giving you that, let's get to the install. All right guys, so here we are in the 2023 Ram 1500 Backcountry. Gonna jump on in and see if we can first take the install of the Offroam Peak Design mount. So here's a closer look at that mount. This is the back lip. It's designed to fit right up in this corner. And then there's your elastomer strip that makes sure you don't damage this. So it should slip right in. We should bolt this down and it'll sandwich together Let's see if it works as it should. That was easy. Am I doing something wrong? Usually if it's that easy, I'm doing it wrong. Okay, yep. So that's that. And just kind of keeping pressure on there, not too hard, but I do want it to be all the way up in that corner. This is a phone mount. We don't need to go too crazy, so I'll do there we go. I don't know, that's probably the proper amount of Newton meters, but we are styling. Can you guys see that? That's good there. So the rest of this install should be this simple. Let's see. We'll leave that kind of dangling. Then we're going to get our Peak Design Offroam magnetic charging mount. There we go. So again, I'm running the iPhone 12. It is already MagSafe compliant. There we go. It's that simple, guys. iPhone, bam. Well, Jeremy, what if you don't have an iPhone? Remember I told you in this video, get the case. So put this case on real quick to show you guys, but it's that. I like it. I like it a lot. Of course, we can adjust it and get it dialed, but look at that. The vents work. Everything works. I'm getting air. I'm sure I could aim it so I could blow some air at the phone. I spend a lot of time on my phone. It overheats quite a bit, so that might be beneficial. But if you don't want any air being blocked, I'm sure that doing something like that is not going to impede any AC flow. So let me slap this case on real quick and we'll show you guys one more time. iPhone 12, everyday case. Guys, it's this simple. Check this out. We are charging. There we go. Boom. There you go. It's up. It's here. It's visible. I can see it. And the phone's not stuck down here in the trenches where it's tough to get to. So guys, this is super cool. The Ram 1500 has a ton of room. Depending on what model you get, there's already phone holders. And if you get a model that's got a wireless charging pad, good for you. I didn't get it. But I'm actually kind of glad I didn't get it, because when it's down there, it's kind of tough to get to. Got a couple big gulps here. You're reaching over those to get to your phone. If wifey's got her purse in there, you're dealing with that. Guys, it's this simple. Check this out. This was a simple upgrade. It's cost effective. It works. It looks good. So that's all I really have to say about that. You guys saw the install. That was the first take. And we're gonna go put some miles on it. We'll talk about it later if we have to. Otherwise, we're gonna assume this thing is bitchin', works as it should, and thanks for watching the video. We'll go back in the garage and we'll wrap it up with you. Alrighty, well, there you have it. We just finished up the install of the 5th gen Ram 1500 Offroam Peak Design Collab magnetic charging phone mount. I'm super stoked. The product looks super high quality. Install was simple, and it looks like it's gonna last for miles and miles as we bounce down the road in this truck. So I'm gonna stop yapping, but I do wanna leave you with something on the Peak Design side. So no matter what you wanna do, if you've got your Peak Design case, take it a step further. I know all you guys like adventure and doing all that stuff. So they've got plenty of accessories, guys. They've got a 1-inch ball adapter. If for some reason you didn't want to use the magnetic style mount, they've got a mobile tripod. I know you guys love to take pictures of your truck and all that stuff. They've got a motorcycle bar mount. If you're into adventure biking, enduro riding, dual sports, whatever, put a Peak Design case and mount on your motorcycle. And if you just want to keep it simple and do something that doesn't involve a lot of time or whatever, not that this did, but if you just want to click something in and go, they've got a wireless charging vent mount as well. Guys, these are like 5 boxes. They've got like 500 on their website of different accessories and all sorts of cool stuff. So check out Peak Design, check out Offroam. Thank you to the people that made this happen. Thanks for hanging out in the Spacious Garage with me, Jeremy, and make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the flip side, guys. Yow.